Very good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Adesh with my subject Accountancy, Chapter 8 Journal, and the topic is Compound Journal Entry. So, student, in last class we learned to prepare the simple journal entry, and there we learned only one account is debited and one account is credited with the one transaction only. Okay, so not more than one account is debited and credited. But in compound entry, or according to the today's topic, we will learn how more than one accounts are debited and more than one accounts are credited in a single transaction. So student, today we are going to learn the compound journal entry. There we will learn when the transaction is given where more than one accounts are affecting from a single transaction. So student, compound and journal entry said compound journal entry is a journal entry in which one or more accounts are debited. Is it clear? Compound journal entry is a journal entry in which one or more accounts are debited and or one or more accounts are credited, vice versa. Means it is not compulsory according to this definition कि always more than one account will debit. Okay, maybe one account debited and more than one account will credited. Are you getting my point? Maybe one account is debited and more than one accounts are credited, and similarly more than one accounts are debited and one account will credited. So situations may be there. ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हमेशा मोर देन वन अकाउंट डेबिट होंगे और मोर देन वन अकाउंट क्रेडिट होंगे. डेबिट में एक अकाउंट हो सकता है इफेक्ट और क्रेडिट में मोर देन वन अकाउंट इफेक्ट होंगे, और अगर क्रेडिट में वन अकाउंट इफेक्ट हो रहा है तो डेबिट में मोर देन वन अकाउंट इफेक्ट होंगे. It is clear, student? So related to the compound journal entry, we have some transactions which we are going to solve now. So the transactions are past necessary journal entries for the following transactions. We have some transactions for that we have to solve the journal entry or a compound journal entry. April 5th, paid salary rupees 20,000, rent 5,000 and wages 6,000. There are three accounts are affecting and these accounts will debit. Salary, rent and wages, these accounts will debit, and all these are paid by check. Check के through paid हो रहे हैं, तो it means one account will credit. Okay, so when we passing the journal entry, then we will learn this. So first we are going to read the transaction only. April 7, purchase goods from Hari, 4 rupees 30,000. No cash, no credit, only the name is given. Purchase goods from Hari 4 rupees 30,000. 30,000 रुपये की गुड्स परचेज कर रहे हैं एट 10% ट्रेड डिस्काउंट एंड 2% कैश डिस्काउंट. पेमेंट वाज मेड इमीडिएटली. पेमेंट इमीडिएटली हो रहा है, तो इसका मतलब इस पर 10% ट्रेड डिस्काउंट चार्ज होगा, एंड आफ्टर दैट वॉट एवर द बैलेंस इज लेफ्ट ऑन दैट 2% कैश डिस्काउंट विल ऑल्सो अलाउड Hari to us. Okay. Next, April 15, paid to Raju. Paid to Raju rupees 5,000 in cash and rupees 7,000 by check. Okay. If we paying cash, so then the cash account will affect, and if we paid amount through check or receiving amount through check, so then that will affect the bank account. Okay. Next transaction, student. Goods sold to Roma. Here we are selling Roma 4 rupees 5,000. No cash, no credit, only the name is given. So goods sold to Roma 4 rupees 5,000 at 20% trade discount. 20% trade discount is charged on 5,000 and 3% cash discount. 3% cash discount and half of the payment was received immediately. पेमेंट रिसीव्ड इमीडिएटली. जितना पेमेंट था उसका आधा हमने साथ के साथ रिसीव कर लिया. इमीडिएटली वी रिसीव. नेक्स्ट, अप्रैल 20. गुड्स सोल्ड टू रमेश 4 rupees 8,000. Goods sold to Ramesh 4 rupees 8,000. He paid 5,000 by check immediately. Okay. गुड सोल्ड किए रमेश को, उसने उसमें से 5,000 रुपीज़ इमीडिएटली पेड कर दिए हम लोगों को. अप्रैल 25. एडिशनल कैपिटल. Here is additional capital introduced as cash rupees 10,000 and delivery van, जो कि इसकी पर्सनल एसेट्स रही है, वो पर्सनल एसेट्स इंट्रोड्यूस किया ऑफ रुपीज़ 50,000. April 26. Cash paid to Anil. We are paying cash to Anil rupees 975. Discount received rupees 25. So cash paying to Anil and then we are receiving the discount also of rupees 25. Next, on 13. Paid to Raju rupees 1,000 in cash and 2,000 by check. Okay. राजू को 1,000 रुपीज़ कैश पेड किया और 2,000 रुपये चेक के थ्रू पेड किए हैं. पेड नेक्स्ट ट्रांजेक्शन ऑन 30 को पेड रुपीज़ 4,800 टू मोहन इन सेटलमेंट ऑफ हिज अकाउंट फॉर रुपीज़ 5,000. 5,000 उसको पेड करने थे, लेकिन उसमें से केवल हमने 4,800 रुपये में उसका सेटलमेंट कर दिया. तो स्टूडेंट, ऑल ट्रांजेक्शन्स आर कंपाउंड related to compound journal entry. So how these transaction will record as a journal in the books of account. So student, today we will learn after passing the journal entry into the books of account. So for this we have to prepare the format of journal. So student, let's see the format of journal and then we will pass the journal entry accordingly. Okay, so let's see the format.